4 tabs can be unlocked up top, one there, there, and there. It takes a flathead screwdriver, standard tip maybe, right around that, thinner tip. Just pop it in there, wedge it up, and it pops out of place. Once this is out of the way, side panel will slide vertically up, and then the back will twist out and the rest of the way out, which will reveal the wires that I have in the next picture and the modification. Their coffee in the morning with one of these Keurig smart machines that is now out of warranty. They won't fix. Sensor went bad, which are these 2 wires here, red and green. I traced it down, it goes around to the junction. This thing was full all the way up to the vent top, which is up here, with water. So I know for a fact the sensors went bad. So, in order to bypass that, I cut the 2 wires and I twisted them together. That creates continuity, which will then allow the pump and the rest of the mechanism to work. So I can have my coffee in the morning. It ain't gonna beat me. And I ain't spending another $200 on a coffee pot. Now with that bypassed, I stripped, twisted, and soldered, then used heat shrink to permanently seal it. And now I'll put the covers back on and have my coffee in the morning. Keurig doesn't want to help you, you can help yourself. I don't recommend this for everybody. It's for somebody like me, and I'll call this a jerry rig. You know, making something work that would not otherwise. Now, the message that was up here, add water constantly, no matter where the water level was, will now be non-existent. It will never throw that code ever again. But, with that said, always keep your tank full. And then you won't have to worry about it overheating something and messing something else up. And functionality, it should do its job. Keep water in it. I don't recommend people does this, but if somebody's in a hard place like me, it'll work.